Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be creating enter password screen. So let's go ahead and create a new file. Going to create SwiftUI view, enter password screen. Let's call that, and get rid of preview. Okay. Okay. So we're going to have a couple of binding variables. All right. And we're going to have state variable as well. It's going to be password of type string. It's going to be empty initially. Okay. All right. And this view is going to be really simple. It's going to have a vstack, which is going to have a text, which is going to simply say enter password. Font is going to be title. Another text, which is going to say enter password to unlock. Note, going to have a secure field where user can enter password. And it's going to take password, bind to password actually. We're going to have a divider under this text field or secure field. Then we can have a button which is going to have an action. Now this action is first of all going to show, let's debug, let's print password to see if we are getting the correct password or not. We're gonna have self.auth success. Basically we're gonna bind that to password helper dot validate password for the password. Okay, and then we're gonna say self.show unlock screen dot toggle. Okay, and we are simply going to have a text called unlock here, and let me go ahead and copy these guys because those modifiers are going to be same. So horizontal 50, vertical 10, fill with 0.4, and rectangle. Okay, cool. We're gonna have a spacer and some padding around it. There we go. So this is our enter password screen, and this brings us to the end of this video. And in the next video, we're going to go back and tie everything together for the add new note and try add new note out. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.